Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GEVO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to say it the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. Very impressive bounce on the day. When you stop and think about the fact that at one point this morning, the price was literally all the way down there, but then the price ultimately closed all the way up there. Any rational person would say, yeah, that was a very, very impressive move. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $8.25. Why is $8.25 important? And I'm not saying at all this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? That would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of this range where it had just been. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. On the flip side of things, because to be fair, no price can just go straight up. If the price were to come down, behave in that manner, and then start to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows right there. And if you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps being and showing progress in the upwards direction. And that's what it's all about. Just showing progress. Nothing has to go straight up. Just show those signs of progress. And again, in this situation, the quote unquote sign of progress would be 825. In terms of areas of resistance, first key level to watch very closely, going to be right there at $8.80. And then the next main level after that would be the pink line up there, the 200 period moving average, currently valued at, we'll call it $9.10. So overall, very impressive movement today. Now it's just a question of, can the price build upon this momentum moving forward? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.